10 questions you must answer.
There's an old joke about marketing, and it's funny because it's true, and it goes like this. Two partners are discussing budgeting, and one says, "I know that half our marketing dollars are being wasted. I just don't know which half." So there's another quote that says, if you want to know why John Smith buys what John Smith buys, you have to see the world through John Smith's eyes. What I'm saying here is that before you spend any money marketing, do two things. First, find out the answers to the following 10 questions, and two, watch the video on how to test your marketing before it goes out the door. So question number one, these are questions that you need to know the answers to create the marketing message before you spend a penny sending the message out. Number one, what business are you in? Number two, what problem are you solving? Number three, what is your product or service? 4, who is your customer? 5, why did they buy from you? 6, how do you know? 7, who is the competition? 8, what are they saying? 9, what is your current marketing message? And 10, how do you answer the question, why should I do business with you? Now go mind your own business.